For this exercise, we're going to work on strengthening the muscles of the glutes and the upper hamstring, and we will need a wall for support. We're going to place our hands on the wall, and our feet should be about hips distance apart. From here, we're going to shift our weight slightly to one side, and we're going to bring our other leg back behind us. Ideally, we want to keep that leg straight as we pull back. Additionally, we don't want to overarch our back because this exercise is focused on the hip and the upper part of the thigh. So again, brace, squeeze your core to prevent the extending of your low back, and think about driving your heel straight back behind you. You should feel a contraction here and here. If you only feel it in your hamstring, try to put your focus on your hip and think about pulling back from a higher muscle. Oftentimes, the leg does not travel very far back, and that's not abnormal. So if you're basing the success of the exercise on how far you're able to raise your leg, you may not be isolating the muscles that we need to. So instead of focusing on how big your movement is, focus more on where you feel it. If you're feeling the contraction in the correct areas, then you're performing the exercise right. Perform sets and reps of our hip extension based on the recommendations by your provider.